Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this bun hairstyle filter on Snapchat. So this is the filter. Tap on the screen to remove your beard. Okay, so to get this effect on Snapchat, let me remove this first. Okay, the effect is gone. To get this effect, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the snapcode for this filter. If you're browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snapcode with your Snapchat mobile app, and if you're browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snapcode. Okay, and you will see this page. Now at the bottom of the page you will see open in Snapchat. Tap there. Okay, and in Snapchat you will see this pop-up, unlock for 48 hours. Tap there. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this bun hairstyle filter on Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.